Hello everybody, welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal, and thought I'd bring you another public service announcement. We'll call this one PSA COVID-19 2.0. Now, this one right here is to let you know that I know these masks are hard to come by, so you might want to consider making things out of stuff like t-shirts, something like that, you know, 2 or 3 layers of that, maybe a coffee filter or a vacuum cleaner bag, or just all kinds of things you make these out of. And you know, you could even get your underwear out here, and you could get your underwear off, and I'd recommend using clean ones and pull the band off of them like this right here. And then I'll show you that you don't have to know how to sew or anything to do this. Let me take this mask off here, right there, and that's a pretty good mask. Been wearing that thing now for a day or two. Of course, I'm just out here all by myself, as you can tell, or I wouldn't be making you a video like this right here. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to take my glasses off so you can see my pretty blue eyes, and then I'm going to slide this pair of underwear over my head, sort of like that right there. Get it all centered up for you. And then I'm going to put my glasses back on, sort of like this right here. There you go. Now, I know you're thinking, well, you got all this looseness right here, and that's true. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that down just a little bit further, get them captured with my glasses again. And remember, I talked about the band. You got to have the band. Always tear that band off of them underwear if you're going to use it for something like this, because this band comes in pretty handy. And I'm not going to show you the size of it because it's a pretty good size, double-digit number, and it might embarrass some people if they saw that. So, all right. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to tuck this under right here. You're going to come back here like this, and you're going to twist it at the back, and you're going to pull it right over the top. Pull it tight like this, because you don't want the germs getting in here or getting out, because you're doing this for your fellow man. You're not really doing it so much for yourself. You're really doing it for everybody else out there in the world. And we want to make it pretty, so let's get this thing good and straight here. And there you have it. One COVID-19 coronavirus mask. And with this one, the best part of this one is right here. I want y'all to look. You can pick your nose with this one right here. You know. So listen, I want you to know that this is just a little bit of levity so that you have a little giggle this weekend. But you do need to wear your mask. China, Japan, Korea, their numbers are going down. And the reason why their numbers are going down, because they wear the mask. So I'm going to leave you with this. Wear your damn mask. If you got anything out of this, if you got a giggle, if you got any information, this was just a joke. And I know it's a sad joke at this time in history, but it maybe drove a point to you. So if you got anything out of this, give me a thumbs up, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And by the way, here at Max's Garage Mahal, we appreciate you coming by. And we hope you have a great weekend. Hope you all stay safe. Don't catch this virus. Don't give it to someone else if you have the virus. And y'all come back and see me now. You hear? At Max's Garage Mahal.